Hello friends. Now I'd like to show you our one spatial COB LED. Yeah, so spatial shape, right? Yeah, what do you think about it? Is it like a snowflake, right? Yes, but our customers' primary idea is that the four strip to sprite joined together. Yeah, so he find us to ask the solution, but our solution for him is so easy that we can design and customer directly the snowflake shape. Yes, so beautiful and so spatial. Now let me show you the colors, and these colors white, okay? So spatial, so spatial snowflake, I think. So spatial snowflake, right? So I think if you have the any spatial shapes that you want to lighting, you want to customer, whatever the size, the shapes, whatever any shapes, and whatever adding the colors, we will try to use our COB LED technology to help out to realize it from idea to prototype, okay? This one is smaller than that one. But all the design ideas is same. So welcome your inquiry on spatial COB, okay? Thank you.